Hey everyone, welcome back to Car Brand 2025. Today, we're diving into the world of sport bikes with one of the most exciting new releases of the year, the 2025 Yamaha YZF R3. If you're a fan of lightweight, high-performance bikes that offer an incredible balance of power, agility, and affordability, then you're in for a treat. The new R3 has received some serious updates, making it an even better choice for riders looking for a perfect entry into the supersport segment. Stick around as we break down everything you need to know, from its design, engine, performance, technology, and how it stacks up against the competition. Let's start with the design because, honestly, Yamaha has outdone themselves this time. The 2025 R3 looks more aggressive and aerodynamic than ever. Taking inspiration from its bigger siblings like the R7 and R1, the new R3 comes with sharper fairings, an even more sculpted fuel tank, and an LED lighting system that gives it a mean and modern look. Yamaha has refined the aerodynamics to not only improve high-speed stability but also reduce wind resistance, making it a more comfortable ride, especially for those long highway runs. Now, let's talk about the heart of this machine, the engine. The 2025 Yamaha R3 retains its 321cc parallel twin engine but with some noticeable refinements. Yamaha has fine-tuned the fuel injection system and ignition mapping to improve throttle response and overall efficiency. You're still getting around 42 horsepower and 29.5 Nm of torque, but now with smoother power delivery across the rev range. This means better acceleration, a more engaging ride in city traffic, and an overall improved performance on twisty roads and tracks. Paired with the engine is a 6-speed gearbox, and yes, Yamaha has finally introduced an optional quick shifter for clutchless upshifts. This is a game changer for those who love spirited riding, making shifts feel seamless and adding to the overall racing feel of the bike. Yamaha has also improved the slipper clutch system, reducing rear wheel chatter when downshifting aggressively. Handling has always been a strong suit of the R3, and for 2025, Yamaha has made sure it gets even better. The bike still comes with a diamond-type steel frame, known for its balance of rigidity and lightweight nature, but Yamaha has tweaked the suspension to offer better feedback and stability. The USD upside-down front forks by KYB now come with improved damping characteristics, providing better front-end feel, especially when braking hard or leaning into corners. At the rear, the preload adjustable monoshock has also been refined to absorb road imperfections more effectively. Speaking of braking, the 2025 R3 comes with a 298mm front disc and a 220mm rear disc, with dual-channel ABS as standard. But here's the big upgrade. Yamaha has now included an optional cornering ABS for enhanced safety while braking mid-turn. This is a huge addition, especially for newer riders who might find themselves braking late in corners. The electronics package has seen some key improvements as well. The previous LCD display has been replaced with a new 5-inch full-color TFT display that's more in line with what we see on the R7 and R1. This new display offers Bluetooth connectivity, allowing riders to pair their smartphones for notifications, call alerts, and even turn-by-turn navigation. Yamaha has also introduced a ride-by-wire throttle system, which makes the throttle response more precise and allows for selectable riding modes. The R3 now features sport, street, and rain modes, adjusting power delivery and traction control to suit different riding conditions. Another major improvement comes in the form of ergonomics. While the previous R3 was already comfortable compared to other supersport bikes, Yamaha has refined the seating position further. The clip-on handlebars are now slightly lower and wider, providing a more aggressive yet comfortable riding stance. The seat has also been reshaped for better weight distribution, ensuring both shorter and taller riders feel at home on the bike. One of the biggest concerns for many riders when choosing a sport bike is fuel efficiency, and the Yamaha R3 continues to impress in this department. Thanks to its lightweight chassis and efficient engine tuning, the 2025 model maintains an impressive fuel economy of around 55 to 60 mpg, 23–25 km/L, making it one of the most fuel-efficient bikes in its class. Whether you're commuting or heading out for weekend rides, the R3 strikes a great balance between performance and practicality. Now, let's talk about how the 2025 Yamaha R3 stacks up against its rivals. In the lightweight sport bike category, Its biggest competitors remain the Kawasaki Ninja 400, the KTM RC 390, and the Honda CBR500R. Compared to the Ninja 400, the R3 may be slightly down on power, but it makes up for it with a more refined chassis, better high-speed stability, and improved electronics. Against the KTM RC 390, the R3 offers a smoother and more user-friendly ride, making it a better choice for those who want a balance of performance and comfort. When put against the Honda CBR500R, the Yamaha is lighter and more agile, offering a sportier experience overall. So, who is this bike for? The 2025 Yamaha R3 is perfect for beginner riders looking for a reliable, stylish, and easy-to-handle sport bike. It's also a great option for experienced riders who want a fun, lightweight machine for city riding or weekend canyon runs. And with the new quick shifter, cornering abs, and TFT display, even those who are used to bigger bikes might find the new R3 appealing as a secondary, more practical ride. When it comes to pricing, Yamaha has managed to keep things competitive. The base model starts at around $5,999, while the fully loaded variant with all the new tech upgrades and quick shifter comes in at approximately $6,499. Given the improvements, this price range makes the R3 an excellent value for money, especially considering the premium features Yamaha has packed in. To wrap it all up, the 2025 Yamaha R3 is a fantastic evolution of an already great motorcycle. With its sharper looks, refined engine, improved suspension, advanced electronics, and safety upgrades, it continues to be one of the best choices in the entry-level sport bike segment. Whether you're looking for your first sport bike or simply want an agile, fun, and efficient machine, the R3 is definitely worth considering. That's it for today's review. Let me know in the comments, what do you think of the 2025 Yamaha R3? Would you choose it over the Ninja 400 or KTM RC 390? And if you're already riding an R3, what's been your experience with it? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on our latest bike and car reviews. Thanks for watching Car Brand 2025, and I'll see you in the next one. Ride safe.